After specifying, Your Honor, the properties including the condominium unit as well as the parking areas, paragraph specifically pertaining to the consideration states that the same is 14,510,225 pesos, Your Honor.
That is the totality of the consideration for the 4 titles.
That is correct, Your Honor, please.
Proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Witness, you mentioned a while ago that there are accompanying documents that you require before you issue a title. For this particular Bellagio property, can you tell the Honorable Court whether there are documents that you actually required or examined?
Can I have the deed of sale, Your Honor?
So, what is your answer, please? You want to verify first?
Yep.
All right. Your Honor, permission again to approach the witness.
You don't have to ask the permission of the court. Just go near the witness.
Thank you, Your Honor, please. I'm showing, Your Honor, the witness a document entitled Deed of Absolute Sale, previously marked as Exhibit CC. Notarized on December 16, 2009, executed by and between Mega World Corporation and spouses Cristina Corona and Renato Corona.
Yes, sir. We require the usual requirements that the buyer and seller file with our office, like the certificate authorizing registration and the tax clearance.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Witness. Your Honor, please, the defense requests that this Exhibit CC, marked earlier, be also marked as our common evidence for the defense, and that the same be marked as Exhibit 193 for the defense, Your Honor.
Mark it accordingly.
Mr. Witness, aside from that deed of sale, would you confirm with the Honorable Court whether you have also required a certificate authorizing registration?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you're shown that certificate authorizing registration relative to this particular Bellagio property, would you be able to identify it?
Definitely, Your Honor.
Okay. I'm showing you a document pre-marked as Exhibit 171, which is a certificate authorizing registration 2009, number 001-85250, issued at Taguig City on December 17, 2009. Please go over this document, Mr. Witness, and tell us whether that document is among those documents that you required or examined before issuing the relevant title for the Bellagio, the relevant titles for the Bellagio property.
Yes, Your Honor. This is the same certificate authorizing registration that we presented before.
Thank you, Mr. Witness. Now, earlier, you also identified and testified on a document entitled Transfer Certificate of Title number -2093-P and previously marked as Exhibit G for the prosecution. Please go over this document issued by the Registry of Deeds for the Taguig City, and please tell this honorable court whether this is the same document you remember having testified on.
Is that a title of a...
This is a
Parking lot?
transfer certificate of title, Your Honor, of the so-called McKinley property, Your Honor, registered under the name of Maria Charina R.
that's
Corona, Your
separate
Honor.
property?
This is separate property now, Your Honor.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you, Your Honor, please.
Yes, Your Honor, this is the same document.
This same document, Your Honor, has been previously marked as Exhibit 158-A for the defense, Your Honor. We also request that the same be submarked, particularly on the portion showing the name Maria Charina R. Corona, of legal age Filipino, as Exhibit 158-B for the defense, Your Honor.
Mark it accordingly.
I'm showing you again another document, Mr. Witness, which was previously marked as Exhibit 30 for the defense. And this is actually a deed of absolute sale entered into by and between Mega World Corporation and Maria Charina R. Corona on October 21, 2008, involving 1/Block 16 of TCT number 989 with lot area 203 square meters and notarized on October 21, 2008. Please go over this document and tell us whether that is the same document that you required of the applicant.
Is that another property?
This is the same property, Your Honor, relative to the McKinley property.
Okay.
But this is, however, a deed of absolute sale supporting the issuance of the transfer certificate of title, Your Honor, in favor of Maria Charina Corona.
What was the consideration for that? The stated
This is in the
consideration.
amount, Your Honor, of 6,196,575 pesos.
Okay.
Mr. Witness, please kindly go over the same document and please tell this honorable court who is the buyer in that deed of absolute sale.
The buyer is Maria Charina R. Corona.
I request, Your Honor, that the portion read by the witness as Maria Charina R. Corona as the buyer of this subject deed of absolute sale be bracketed and marked as Exhibit 30-A.
Mark it accordingly. What is the utility of remarking these terms or names?
This,
Already mentioned in the document, mark as your exhibit.
this is for emphasis and to highlight the fact, Your Honor, that the property was actually acquired under this particular name, Your Honor. There was
Well,
suggestion.
The deed of sale speaks for itself.
Yes, Your Honor. But in our reference, when we make a formal offer of evidence, Your Honor, it is convenient to make reference. It is convenient to advert to a particular marking, Your Honor, so
All
that
right.
things will not
Go
get
ahead,
mixed
go
up, Your Honor.
Right.
Thank you, Your Honor, please. Now, on page 2 of this same document, right, there appears to be several parties involved in this transaction. Kindly go over that page and tell this honorable court who the buyer was in this particular transaction. The buyer, please.
The buyer is Maria Charina R. Corona.
And the seller?
Seller, Your Honor, is a Mega World Corporation.
Well, they are the parties to the document.
That is correct, Your Honor, if
All
I may
right.
answer for the witness. Your Honor, please, we also request that the same name read by the witness, Maria Charina R. Corona, be bracketed and marked as our Exhibit 30-B
Bakit?
Mr. Witness, I'm showing you another document previously marked as Exhibit 39, which is actually a special power of attorney dated September 15, 2008, executed by Juan Maria Charina R. Corona. Please go over this document and tell us if that happens to be one of those documents you required of the applicant.
Yes, Your Honor. This is the special power of attorney which was filed in our office.
Thank you, Mr. Witness.
Just a minute.
Yes, please, Your
Who
Honor.
signed the deed of sale for the buyer?
Thank you, Your Honor. And under this particular document,
No, in the deed of sale.
yes, Your Honor, that this deed of absolute sale by in between Mega World and Maria Charina R. Corona, the signatories are for Mega World Corporation, Your Honor, was Giovanni C. Nang, a finance director for the company, Your Honor. And on behalf of the buyer, Your Honor, the signatory is Renato C. Corona, who is designated in this very same document as attorney in fact, Your Honor.